I'm going to show you how you can host a game to play with your friends on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All you need to do is open R.E.P.O and go to host game. Now this window will pop up that will warn you that the friend with the best computer and internet should be the one that hosts the game. So if you are that friend, click yes, and if you are not, click no and ask your friend to host it. If you want to host it, then you will be right here where you can load an already created game or you can create a new one. So in my case, let's say I want to start a new game. After you create it, you will be here at the lobby and you can start inviting your friend. This is the list of the players in the lobby. So you can invite your friends right here and this will open the Steam friends list. You can right click your friend and invite to the game. So this way they will need to press Shift Tab to get an invitation like this one where they just need to click on play game and they will automatically join to your R.E.P.O lobby and they will appear here. After that you just need to press on start game and this way you can play with your friends on R.E.P.O. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.